Hey guys, in today's video we're going to learn how to leave color in Premiere Pro, so let's get started. Alright, so first of all what I will do is I'll import my file. Basically what we're going to do is we are going to just leave one color and we are going to make other colors in the video just black and white. So I have imported the file. Now I will place it on the timeline. Now this is our video, so I'm just going to be keeping the color of that car, okay, and I will make everything else black and white. Right here, this is our video basically, and here you can see this car we're just going to leave that color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to effects and then search for leave color. Make sure that your video file is selected and then just double click on leave color. So now in the effects control panel, just select the eyedropper tool and then select that color. Basically here we are going to select the car color, and then here amount to decolor, just increase the value of it just like that, and then also increase the tolerance. Don't increase it very much, so all the colors will be clearly visible if you do that. So just increase it a little bit, and now you can see. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you did, so then don't forget to like this video, also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.